Hey guys, I'm finally now starting to get to working on this chainsaw. And so before I actually do, I thought I'd do a compression test. Now I know that the engine does have good compression just by pulling it over, and also yesterday I dumped it some gas into the carburetor and pulled it and got it to fire. So which that confirms in my mind that the engine's actually good. But since I have a compression tester, I want to see how good the compression is. So we need to get access to the spark plug, which I've already took the cover off, which it's easy to take off. There's just 3 screws that you gotta loosen, and then the cover just comes right off. So let me get the spark plug out. Okay. There we go. Okay, the spark plug is out. So now I'll get the compression tester, insert it in. Alright, so I got the compression tester connected onto the saw, and I'm gonna pull over the engine until the needle will stop moving. So I can't really quite get the camera all positioned for y'all to see that, so I'm gonna just do all this off camera. And whenever you do it, make sure the throttle is squeezed wide open to let some air in to get a proper test reading. So here's the reading. So about just roughly 110 psi. So not too bad though, considering that it did start and die when I dumped gas into the carburetor. So which that indicates that it's good. If it had less than 90 psi, it just simply would not run. So that's good. So that means that I can start working on the saw. And so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And so thanks for watching.